macOS Ventura comes with some most advanced features, but it is only supported those models. I have MacBook Air late 2015 model, so officially it is not supported, but I want to install macOS Ventura on it. Let's begin. Today we will see how to install macOS Ventura on unsupported model. Before process, backup your all data. You can do it from Time Machine or external backup. During this installation, if it is failed, you can roll back to your previous version. Next step, we have to download macOS Ventura. Normally you won't able to get your update as you are using unsupported Mac. To do this, open Safari and go to this GitHub link which I provided in video description. Click code and download zip file. Open it. Double click git macOS.command. You may see this error. To fix it, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, General, click Open Anyway. Now terminal window will open. If you get this option of Python installation, press Y, then hit return. Now type your password, hit return. Terminal would like to access files in your download folder. Okay. Now from this list, type C to change catalog. At this moment I need developer beta version. So if it is public beta, then you can press 1. So I need developer beta version. So select 4, then hit return key. Now from this catalog, we can see macOS Ventura beta is available in number 1. So type 1, then hit return. Now macOS Beta Ventura is downloading. Now macOS Ventura beta file is downloading. It will take some time, so please wait to complete the downloading. When complete, you will see like this. This macOS Ventura file saved to this location with following routes. Now close terminal and go to download location. You can check the downloaded macOS Ventura is not coming to application folder. So go back to download location. Double click to install assistant.pkg and install it. Now you can see macOS Ventura beta is available in application folder. Next step, we have to make bootable version of it. For this required at least 16 GB empty flash drive with macOS journal partition scheme. If it is in other format, So open disk utility and format it. Use the name Untitled. Now open terminal. In terminal type this command from the video description, or if your flash drive name is different then you can follow this. Then remove this portion. Then drag your USB drive to terminal window. Hit return. Type password. Return again and type yes to continue. It will start erasing and making bootable macOS Ventura will take long time. In my case, it was taken around 50 minutes. It is done now. Now we have to prepare this unsupported Mac for macOS Ventura. As you know, it is unsupported for macOS Ventura. Now open Safari and go to this link. Then click OpenCore Patcher to download OpenCore Patcher. Now open it. Now move it into application folder and open it. Now as you can see, I do not have option to build and install OpenCore. Open settings to run and build OpenCore. Check allow native model and click SMBIOS settings and select spoof level advanced. Like my MacBook Air is MacBook Air 7.2. So I am selecting MacBook Air 8.1. Then generate. Return to settings and return to main menu. Now build and install OpenCore. Selecting my 16 GB USB stick, select it. Now type your password to continue. EFI partition is created now. Click reboot. Then press and hold option key. Release option key when you will see like this. Select EFI boot to continue. Then select install macOS Ventura Beta. For install over existing OS, select install macOS. For clean install disk utility, continue. From view show all device, select internal SSD, then erase and erase it. I am not going to clean install, I will update it over my existing OS. So going back to installation window, click install macOS Ventura Beta, then continue, agree, select internal SSD and continue. Now installation is running to your selected disk and this time it will restart several times. It is updated now. Logging to your user, or if you are doing clean install, set up user accounts and logging to it. Enjoy macOS Ventura on your unsupported Mac. That's all. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.